Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have a few Born Pretty store items that I want to review all at once. So let me go ahead and start out with these. These are stamping gels and they are neons, guys. Check them out. All right, let me show you the color. They are similar in color, so I got this lilac and I'll bring you up close when you'll see it when I'm swatching it, using it for stamping. So like I said, this is a stamping gel polish, and this one is a hot pink. Super cool. I can't wait to try them. And then along with these, I also have two brand new stamping plates, so I'm gonna stamp so wait, let me show you the first stamping plate that I have. Okay, it's this one, L079, and as you can see, this one has the textures. Oh, I have been dying to get my hands on this stamping plate, guys. Here's the backing. It has the back protective backing and the protective film that I'm going to remove prior to doing the design. And for this one, I'm going to use Born Pretty Store, this stamping polish right here. Let me show you the color, Misty Life. It is right there. So I'm going to stamp using this color. I'm going to grab a few of these images and I'm going to stamp on my right hand here where I already have a Zoya Nude regular polish on my right hand, okay, since I have nubbies on my right hand. And now for this one, the neon colors, I'm going to try on my left hand where I already have the black gel polish. And this one, I'm going to use this plate right here. Is the artist L005. Check it out, guys. L005 also has the protective film on the back, the protective backing on the back, and the film on the front that I'm going to remove. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to start doing the swatches, the stamping on my left hand, then I'm going to do my right hand. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now before I start stamping here with this plate, guys, check out the beautiful images. This is another stamping plate, so there's another one of this, the first one that I've already reviewed, and I'll have a link down below as well, the video where I reviewed the first one. But check out the abstract images on this plate. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so, I don't know, very unique, very different. So let me go ahead, and this one I'm going to do the stamping using the neon gel polishes. I don't even know what to start with, guys. All right, well, let's see. For this one, this first one that I'm going to open this is the FSG05, and this one is the neon pink. And with gels, it's the gels, these gel stamping polishes, a little bit of them goes a long ways, guys. So see that teeny tiny bit that I applied there, and I'm going to go ahead and spread it with this fine brush that I have here before scraping it. My supplies that I have access to are quite limited since I've had to pack a lot of things, guys. Okay, so we'll go ahead and scrape it. You don't have to worry about it drying on you because remember, this is a gel stamping polish. And I'm going to use this clear stamper right here. It's not so clear anymore. See how it picks up? Oh, beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and apply it here in the middle nail. But I want to avoid getting that little bit of gel on my polish on my nail, so I wipe it off, and this is dry, and let's apply it right here. I can barely see through this stamper. Oh, how cool is that? Check them out, guys. Let's keep going. Because some of that polish stays on the stamper, I go ahead and let me go ahead and put some alcohol in here on my paper towel, and then wipe it off and then dry it before doing the next image. I think I'm going to try this rose and butterfly right here. Scrape it off. Pick up. Wow, that picked up beautifully. Again, I want to remove what's, I don't want part, it's not supposed to be part of the image, and I meant for this for my pinky, but I know the whole thing's not going to fit, but there it is. Now the other one that I want to try is this one, the Fluorescent Stamping Gel. This one is called Wind, BPS G08. This one is a lilac, guys. Check it out. Let's see which, I don't know which image I'm going to pick up with this one. Now let's try this one here. I already cleaned this brush because I didn't have another one handy. Let's spread this gel very well there. Let's scrape it. Pick up. There it is. Wipe off the excess. And let's put this one in my ring finger. I think it goes, yes, this way. Beautiful. Let's try the other one. I'm going to try this one right here. I'm loving how pigmented these colors are, guys, over black. You've seen how well they're showing there. And they are neons. They're not glow in the dark. They're neons. Remember, with these being gels, they have, now that I have them completely done. Now we'll go ahead and insert this, cure them in the lamp. Okay, so here are my left hand nails completed with this stamping play, guys. Absolutely gorgeous colors on those neon gel stamping polishes in this plate. Beautiful images, very good quality, very good. I mean, they stamp really well. I didn't test all of them. I didn't do swatches of many other images, but you know, this is a good quality stamping plate. Check them out. Very versatile. I mean, this is such a unique plate. You've got to have something like this in your collection. Remember, this is L005, and I will have the link down in the description bar below to these items, as well as my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. Now let me move on to the other stamping plate to do a design with them. Now on this plate, guys, check it out, L079. Check out all these textured images that you can do here for marble design, all kinds of stone designs. I absolutely love this one. Like I said, I've been wanting this for a long time, and now working on my left hand, I just smudged some of my right hand nails here. I did say this was a regular polish, and I had just put, I did not use Sech Vite as a top coat. I used my Rejuva coat as a top coat, which is not quite as fast drying. But you know what? After I'm done putting these texture images on them, you won't even be able to tell that there's much. So let's try this one, and I'm going to use this Born Pretty Store stamping polish. Here's the end result and the designs or the swatches that I did for this plate, guys. And I think that this is a Haranuta plate, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, sold by Born Pretty Store. Yes, so that's what it is. That's why it's not a BP plate, but it's L079. And so here's this final result. This is after I applied top coat. First I did the Born Pretty Store smear-free top coat, and then I did sedge feed. But there you can see there's different density of the design. Some more opaque, or not more opaque, but more with more coverage than others. Some are more sporadic. That was pretty cool right there. And you can use these in any which way direction you want, right? To make them more realistic. But look at that. You wouldn't even guess that that is a stamp. Isn't that cool? I'm so looking forward to doing some really great designs with these images. And then here's the other one. Let me bring out that other plate. Here's that other artist plate, L005. Super cool plates, both of them, guys, in these neon gel stamping polishes. They have several other colors of these, so go check them out. I will have the links down in the description bar below, and remember that you may use my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.